Well, good morning everyone. Today's video, just walking up Soi5 in Pattaya Bay. I'm going to meet someone and we're going to have a bit of brunch. It's about 11:30. So going to take you along with us, but she don't want to be on film, so she's going to be a little bit of a mystery girl. Hopefully we can get a decent vlog out of it. So let's go in. I know she's already in the restaurant. Let me just spin the camera around. This is the restaurant I normally come to 2-3 times a week. Traditional Thai food. Dead opposite High Five Saloon. You can't miss it as you come down. So let's go in.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Right, we've jumped on the bike and we're going to come up to the coffee shop at the top of Pattaya, overlooking the bay. Quite a nice, popular coffee shop here. Well, coffee and cake has arrived. We've got cappuccino and an orange cake and some Healy Boy soda. Well, there you go everyone, that's a bit of brunch, coffee, cake afterwards, all very delicious. If this is your first time to the channel, or if you've been to the channel before but you haven't subscribed, can I ask you to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the vlogs that I post. It will help me out a great deal, and it will encourage YouTube to post my videos onto a wider audience. One of the things that you're probably thinking is, why is the lady I'm with not in the videos, her face? Because the simple reason is that more and more, you got a lot of idiots, and you get the occasional dumbwit that likes to make horrible comments about the women in Thai videos. So a lot of the ladies now are saying, well, I don't mind being on the video, but can you keep my face out of it? But unfortunately, you've got these boring people that will like to upset and everyone, but that's the reason why. Keep an eye out on the channel. Next week, I'm traveling to a destination northeast of Thailand for an exciting long weekend. So we'll catch up then, and don't miss that video, because it's I'm sure it's going to be a really good, spectacular video of where I'm going and what I'm going to be up to. Until the next time, give me a thumbs up, make a comment. I will return all the comments. Stay safe.